Blend It Girl 4-piece brush set. One of them is dirty because I used it, and I don't know why I didn't clean it. Hey guys, welcome back. So I have got my September Boxycharm boxes here for you guys. So they did send these to me, so they were PR samples, so just FYI on that. So I've got the regular box to show you, and then I've also got, I believe this is the premium box. So I've gone ahead and opened up these boxes. I've tried out the goodies inside like usual. So I'll be able to kind of give you some little mini reviews on the products in here. And they did tell me that I was specially picked to get to try out some Huda products. So that's really exciting. So I'll go over these in more details once I get to them in the box. But there is a Lifeliner Duo Eyeliner Pencil and Liquid Eyeliner. So it's a two-sided liner. Super cool. It's fun. I have a little bit of this on my eyes. And then super excited about this. One of the matte and metal melted shadows. Oh my gosh. That's the shimmer that I have on the inner corners of my eyes. I was so excited to see this in the box. So anywho, I'll get to in more detail when I get to in the boxes. But let's get to the video. Okay, so let's start with the bigger one. Big old box, lots of things inside. Let me get the little card here. It says Glam Vibes Only, so that's super cute. Let's just start with something. Let's start with this guy. Okay, right here. So this is the Milk Makeup Kush Lip Scrub, and it's $22. It is a lip scrub made with natural sugar crystals, softens lips, seal in moisture, and improve texture. So I did try this last night. And initially, nice packaging to it, nice like magnetic packaging. Initially when I was using it, I was like, is this a scrub? So you really kind of have to get through the initial layers of it because at first it just feels like a lip balm. So I don't think that's a bad thing. I mean, it just means that it's got lots of moisturizing ingredients in it, I would assume, that it feels like a balm, but then you kind of get more to the grittiness of it. What's interesting is when I apply it, I can feel more grittiness, but then when I feel my hand, and I had the same experience when I was trying it on my lips, I didn't feel very much grittiness, but my lips did feel really hydrated and exfoliated after using it. So seems to work well, seems different than other lip scrubs I've used. Other ones have been just more extreme. This seems a little bit more gentle, but still seems effective. So I like it. Next up is this guy. This is really fun. So this is the Kish Ice Roller, and it's $18. It is your new at-home facial made with high-quality surgical stainless steel. Helps to calm inflammation, increase blood circulation, and alleviate sore muscles, tension, and headaches. Recommended daily use for the best results. So you can put it in your freezer inside the box. So I did that, and then I kind of forgot to use it. So I tried to do this a little bit on my neck this morning when I took it out of my freezer. It's still really cold, and I took it out like an hour ago. So I mean, it stays cold for a long time. So it's got this stainless steel, and then it's a roller. I mean, I could see this being just a very spa-like experience to just kind of roll your face, roll your muscles. I like this. I think this is fun. I think stuff like this is fun for at-home sort of spa days. Seems cool, and I think the price point seems good on it too. Next up is this guy, the Marc Jacobs Beauty Youthquake Hydra Full Re-Texturizing Gel Cream. And this is $59 is the retail price on this. Multitasking moisturizer, has the perfect combination of moisturizing and retexturing results. Why bother rehydrating dead skin cells? Smooth away rough texture and reveal a fresh surface that's ready to receive major moisture magnitude. Cute packaging. I love the whole look to it. It's fun. To me, this is so random. It looks like vanilla pudding to me. Just like vanilla pudding. And it seemed really nice. I used it last night and it seemed nice and hydrating, good gel kind of a texture to it. It's almost in between a cream and a gel. So it has the feeling of a gel in texture, but it's got a lot of hydration to it also. Has a little bit of a very mild, nice scent to it. So I'm not sure if it's fragrance or what it is, but it feels nice. It did feel nice on my skin. Of course, skincare, you have to use it for, you know, a longer term to really know long-term benefits to it. But initial trying it out the first time, it seems nice. I like the texture and it felt good on my skin. Next up is the Emma Hardy Brilliance Facial Oil Overnight Treatment. It says increases moisture levels, increases elasticity, balances the skin, antioxidant protection. Super cool, and this retails for $55. If you watch my channel, you know that I love face oils. I mean, I don't mind going to bed looking like an oil slick. Poor Timothy. I mean, I just look super layered with the skincare at night. I love facial oils. So this one seems super hydrating, like a good oil. It does have a strong scent to it. And I was trying to think of what, I've used something that smells like this before, and I can't place what it is in it that is that scent. I mean, it's got Palmarosa. That wasn't that hard, Leslie. Orange, mint, vanilla, geranium, chamomile, lemon, rose, lavender. Maybe it's the mix of rose and lavender. Omega-3, which all help to increase moisture levels and elasticity. And then the Camelina Gold of Pleasure oil contains powerful antioxidant properties. So yeah, it smells very herbally is how I would describe it, but super hydrating, seems like a nice oil. Now we're to my two favorite things in the box. If you watch my channel and watch my unboxing videos, color cosmetics are always my favorite things to get in boxes, but I don't mind skincare. I mean, especially if they're higher priced point skincare items, then that's exciting too, but I love color cosmetics. So a couple of color cosmetics things in this box. Stila Smudge Stick Waterproof Eyeliner, and this is $22. They stay, don't stray. Waterproof formula, won't budge or fade. And the color that I got is Vivid Smoky Quartz. I do have this on, but I have it layered with something else because I was trying to try out all the things. So I have lots of things layered on my eyes, mainly on my eyes. So yeah, Stila Smudge Stick Waterproof Eyeliner in Vivid Smoky Quartz. This is really pretty. I don't really get much of the quartz. When I think of quartz, and maybe I'm wrong on this, when I think of quartz, I think of more kind of taupey. I guess it is a cool tone chocolatey brown is how I would describe this color. It's beautiful though. It applied really well, went on well. I've used the Stila liners before and really liked them. They don't drag on the eyes, but then they stay around on the eyes really well. So very long wearing, and just a good liner. And an eyeshadow palette, so fun. This is the Eloise Beauty The Queen eyeshadow palette, and this retails for $46. Yeah, $46. So this is the outside sleeve, beautiful design on it, really, really pretty. And then here is the actual palette. Let me show you inside. Good functional big mirror in here, so that's nice. So many fun colors in here. I mean, if you love jewel toned sort of eye looks and you love playing with color, definitely would have some fun with this palette. So, so pretty. You can do some neutral looks too, but overall, I mean, there's a lot of fun, exciting colors in here. A nice mix of mattes and kind of metallic shades, not so much shimmery, but more metallic-y sort of shades. So I do have some of these on my eyes today, and then I have some from another palette from the other box. But I just swatched a few of them here for you so you can see. Really pretty. I will say when I was swatching them, they didn't seem as pigmented as some other shadows that I've tried. But I mean, you look at it here and like that one's super pigmented, that one's super pigmented, that one is. This one took some building and it's a little bit patchy. And then some of the mattes take some building. Didn't really have a ton of trouble on my eyes. So I think overall it's a very workable palette. I do think it's pretty. I like the different colors in there. I don't think it's the most amazing eyeshadow formula I've ever used though. I think it does take some building with some of the colors, but I think with a little bit of working with it, you can end up with some really pretty eye looks. So that's everything in that box. I just added up the value and it's $222. So really good value on this box. That's awesome. Overall, I like it. Not my favorite box I've ever gotten, but I do really like the things inside. There's nothing in here that I don't like. I'm not jumping up and down about the lip scrub, but I mean, it's usable and it's cool that it's in here. I would say my favorite things are the color cosmetics, but I do really like the skincare products too. I think they're both really good. Okay, and then on to the regular box. Here's what the regular box looks like. Same cute card in it. So let's start with, I believe this is the only skincare product in this box. So this is the Pharmacy Cheer Up Brightening Vitamin C Eye Cream with Acerola Cherry. This retails for $45. It says it's super hydrating. It's vitamin C rich. It's supposed to help reduce the appearance of fine lines and dark circles, which is totally what I'm going for in an eye cream. Delivers instant radiance. It's a clean, fragrance-free formula. Cute packaging to it. I've really enjoyed everything I've tried from the Pharmacy line, so I was excited to see this in here. I use an eye cream every night. I'm very consistent with it, so I'm all about getting a new eye cream, so that's awesome. I wondered, this is what it looks like. I wondered if it would smell like cherries. Not necessarily that I would want it to in a skincare product, but I just kind of wondered, and it doesn't. It really doesn't. So this is what it looks like. Really nice texture to this eye cream. It's hydrating, but not super thick and heavy feeling. So just a good amount of hydration to it. My eyes, felt hydrated after I used it. Woke up, my eyes looked, not dry or anything. So like I said, with skincare, you have to use it long term to really know long-term benefits. But I like the texture of it. I like how it felt on my under eyes, and I liked how my under eyes looked after using it. And there are some fun brushes in here. Look at this bag. I love this bag. That's so fun. This is the Luna Magic Beauty Blend It Girl 4-piece brush set, and this retails for $18. Let me open it up and show you. One of them is dirty because I used it, and I don't know why I didn't clean it. But I didn't, so that one, this one, yeah, clearly I used it for blending. Okay, so cruelty-free brush set includes all the essential brushes for you to complete your glamorous eye look. Be precise, be bold, blend it, girl. So $18 for 4 brushes, so it's a good price. They seem really soft. I like the colors. I like the bold, bright colors to them. They almost look like paint brushes or something. The coloring of it, that's what it reminds me of. But yeah, they're soft. This one seems like a really good brush that you can apply color onto your lid, but then also blend it up into your crease. So kind of a one and done sort of a brush. So really like that one. I really liked this blending brush because of the quality of it and how it did blend. It's a little bit big for my eye shape. So I prefer a smaller blending brush, but there's nothing wrong with it. It's just personal preference, but it did blend well. This one, I don't really know what this is supposed to be. Does it say? I don't know, I guess maybe a highlighter brush? That's what I would use it for. It'd be nice for that. It's almost like a fan brush, but I like that it's angled and a little bit more dense. So cool, different sort of brush, but I like that. And this one is kind of almost a bigger smudge brush. So yeah, they seem nice. And a couple of Huda Beauty products in here. So first off is the Huda Beauty Lifeliner Duo Pencil and Liquid Eyeliner. So it is a 2-sided liner, and this retails for $25. And it says the ultimate life-proof dual-ended eyeliner with a liquid tip on one side and pencil on the other. Long-lasting, waterproof, smudge-proof, and fade-proof. So I used the pencil side kind of on the outer part of my eye today. Oh, that's a really bad line. Sorry, because I was just not very precise, but nice and black pencil liner. It didn't drag on my eyes. We'll see about the longevity of it, but it seems good so far. And then the other side is a liquid liner. So it is a brush tip, sort of an applicator. And let's see, let me try to get a better line on this. That's a little bit better. Nice and rich and black. Very pretty. Seems pigmented. Didn't drag. Yeah, it's not gray. I mean, the pencil's a little bit less, it's a little bit more of a gray black. This is more of a true rich black. I like that. I like that you've got the two options in the same liner. That's nice. And I like the cool shape to this packaging. That's cool. So this liner was a challenge to remove, so definitely seems long wearing. Okay, so this guy is the Huda Beauty Matte and Metal Melted Shadows. I was really excited to see this in here. It's $25 is the retail price. It's a dual-ended liquid shadow combining a rich velvety matte formula on one side and an over-the-top sparkly on the other. So I have this sparkly on the inner corners of my eyes, just kind of right in there. The color that I got is Shimmering Sunset. Shimmering Sunset. This is what it looks like. It's a two-sided, two-ended deal. And this side is kind of more of a flat doe foot applicator. And then the other side is a little bit different. I'll show it to you. This is such a pretty color. It's like a peachy, I was gonna say light terracotta, but it's really more just a peachy color. I want to describe everything as a terracotta color, apparently. So this is almost like a thick liquid liner brush, kind of an applicator is how I would describe this. It's kind of just a thicker brush. It's really a beautiful color on this side. Oh my goodness. This is amazing. This is absolutely gorgeous. Beautiful. My root camera cut me off, but I was saying nice formula. This was easy to blend. And I like that it's that kind of sparkly formula that if you apply it really sparingly and then kind of blend it out, you more just get that slight little bit of shimmer on your eyes. That's so fun. So I like that you kind of have that versatility to apply it full on or more just kind of light and sparkly. I was so excited about this being in the box. And then an eyeshadow palette, so fun. So this is the Hip Dot Zion eyeshadow palette. It is $30 is the retail price on this. It says it has dramatic reds, deep oranges, and the purples of Zion. It's cruelty-free, vegan, talc-free, paraben-free, phthalate-free, and mineral oil-free. Pretty packaging to it. It's the outside sleeve. It's the actual palette, nice sturdy cardboard packaging to it, functional good big mirror in here. Here is the collection of colors, beautiful. Nice collection of mattes and metallic-y shades, more mattes than metallics. This one is metallic-y, this one, and this one. So you get a lot of mattes in here, which is nice. I'm impressed with the formula on this palette. Here are some swatches. This was really easy to work with, really easy to blend, pigmented but not difficult to work with, not like it wouldn't blend, it blended very well. So I'm very impressed with this formula, really like this. The metallic-y shades are pretty. I like to kick them up with a setting spray. I do that with pretty much all metallic shadows. Beautiful, and I love all these kind of colors. I mean, that right there, amazing. This one, amazing. Such pretty colors. So very impressed with this palette. Okay, so those are all the goodies in that box. So I just added up the value and it's $143 for this box. So love this one. If I had to choose between the two, I think this one is my favorite just because it has more color cosmetics, which are my favorite things to get in boxes. And I really like this palette and I really love this liquid shadow from Huda. So I really enjoy this box. Okay guys, so that wraps up this unboxing, a little mini review video. So hope that you guys really enjoyed this video. If you want to sign up for Boxycharm, I will leave my link down below. No pressure whatsoever to use my link, but if you do, thank you so much. If you subscribe to Boxycharm, I would love to know what you got in your box. What was your favorite thing that you got? Definitely let me know that. Ask me any questions that you have. I'm happy to answer those. Please subscribe to my channel if you're not already, and I'll see you in the next video.